use our paddu or appam pan to make classic paddu, something we all love for breakfast. Today I'm making really special, a completely new recipe. I call this mushroom paddu. A unique way of enjoying egg and mushroom together. Can be served as a breakfast or snack. Watch till the end. I will show you the cheese version as well, especially for kids. Hello everyone, welcome back to HomePlateDelights. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and support the channel. Let's get started. Here I have kept all the ingredients ready. You can see I have about 200 grams of mushroom here. This is not the whole mushroom, these are sliced mushrooms. Let's make a quick mushroom masala mixture for the paddu. In a pan I am taking about 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 medium sized onion finely chopped. Saute them until it turns transparent. Next add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Fry it until all the raw aroma disappears. Next I am adding all the spice powders. Each spice powder is about 1/4 teaspoon. Pepper powder, turmeric powder, chili powder, garam masala powder and coriander powder. Saute them very well. Frying the masala like this in oil gives a nice and bright color to the dish. Add salt as per your taste. Consider egg and mushroom quantity while adding salt. Next I am adding nicely washed and cleaned mushroom. Fry it and cook the mushroom. We do not need to add any water here. The mushroom itself releases lot of moisture. See how nice and moist it has turned. I have not added any water here. Let it cook for few minutes, but do not overcook it. We need that crunchiness as well. It has cooked nicely. The water is started getting dried. Let's turn off the flame. Keep it aside. Let it cool down completely. Here I have taken about 8 eggs. Let's crack it and put them in a bowl. Beat them very well. Next let's add the mushroom mixture. Make sure the mushroom mixture is completely cooled down before you adding it to the egg. If there is even little hot, it will start cooking the eggs right away and affect the entire texture of the dish. The mixture is nicely done. Let's add some coriander leaves and start making paddus. The pan is nice and hot. Let's grease it with some oil. Slowly pour the mixture into each one, about 3/4 of it. Not all the way up. This is very important. This helps for cooking as well as it makes it easier while flipping later. Cover the lid and cook it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes you can see it has cooked nicely only around the edges. Let's flip it. Use the back side of the spoon and carefully flip it. You can flip them easily because the edges are nicely cooked. After flipping all of them, cook it for another 2 more minutes. Look at this, it is completely cooked, nice and golden color. Aha, perfect snack. Let me take this out and show you the cheese version as I promised in the beginning. That is specially for kids. Don't go away. Grease the pan and pour the batter. This time only pour it half the way, not 3/4. Here I have taken some cheddar cheese. Let's put them on each one, about 1/4 spoon of it. This gives a nice cheesy bites along with egg and mushroom. On top of cheese, pour egg mixture. Flip them and cook it both the side, just like how we did for the other one. Take them out and serve it hot with a little bit of tomato ketchup. Wow, it has turned out so good, looks so delicious. I hope you enjoyed both the version of this egg and mushroom recipe. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.